Good morning, students. Today we are going to recite the poem The Rainbow. This poem is written by Christina Rossetti. Children, do you know how the rainbow is formed? When it has almost finished raining and the sun comes out, the sunlight shines on the raindrops and a beautiful seven-colored band is formed in the sky. This band is called the rainbow. Children, you know there are 7 colors in the rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Vibgyor. That's the way to remember it. Now let's read the poem. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. There are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please, but the bow that bridges heaven and overtop the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. Now let's try to understand the poem. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. The poet is telling us about the boats, the ships, clouds, bridges on the rivers. Children, you have seen boats sailing on the rivers and ships sailing on the seas. It is really a wonderful sight. Sail means travel on water, and across means from one side to other side of something. So children, you have seen boats sailing on the rivers and ships sailing on the seas. But according to the poet, the cloud that sail in the sky are prettier means more beautiful than boats and ships that are sailing across the rivers and seas. There are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please, but the bow that bridges heaven and overtop the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. We have seen beautiful bridges across the world. There are bridges built over the rivers which are very attractive. But according to the poet, these man-made bridges are not so beautiful. So, what is more beautiful according to the poet? The rainbow. Poet says the rainbow builds a road from earth to the sky, is more beautiful than the bridges made by us. Nature is always beautiful, as we all know. Its creation is awesome. It gives freshness to our mind.